Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change frame rate limit in Broken Arrow. So as you guys see, I'm already in the main menu. I'm going to left click on settings, go to the graphics tab at the top and go to the frame rate limit, and all you need to do is just left click with your mouse and drag it across right to turn it to switch it. But the first thing that you need to have, turn off your VSync, and then you can switch your frame rate limit. So just let me do it like 140 or 138, click apply, go back, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.